Hello fellow toy collectors, I'll do a quick video on how to make replacement antennae for your toys. Currently I'm collecting these 1/64 scale cars, and I ordered this one off eBay, and it was listed as no antenna, so the seller did nothing wrong. But yeah, there's a hole in the roof of this car, and there's supposed to be an antenna in there. So obviously I'm not going to spend time paying to 3D print a tiny antenna, but if you buy any sort of model kits, these things are made mostly of polystyrene these days, and they come on sprues. There were parts that went into a model kit, and I cut the parts out, but I keep the sprues because you can simply melt the sprue to stretch it out and make an antenna nice and quick. So here are a couple examples there, but I'll do one again here. Yeah, so you want to cut off a piece of plastic long enough that you can pull it from both ends, and also long enough that you can heat it up without burning your fingers. So something like that, or longer. Then you grab your little lighter, and you just want to heat it enough that it starts to bend a little bit, so it'll be hot enough to pull. And I'm twisting it around the flame. Okay. So now when you stretch it, you want to hold it so it cools as a straight piece of plastic, unless you specifically want a bent antenna. But for my rally car, I think I want a straight antenna. So there, it's relatively straight, and you'll notice how it tapers in the middle because it's stretched out and it's thicker at the bottom. And so that thickness at the bottom you can trim off to fit the whole of your model, whether it's a car or a Gundam kit or airplane or whatever it might be. And you want to slowly cut off the thicker part until it fits the hole in your model kit, or I mean the hole in your toy that you're trying to put a new antenna in. So it's still a little too big for this hole. I keep trimming. You use a hobby knife, scissors I suppose in a pinch, but these little electric clippers, wire clippers, do a really good job. Alright, so that actually is a pretty snug fit. And let me try to grab this again here so you can really see the detail of the taper. Alright, so you can see how thick it is at one end. Zoom. Not zoom, focus. Well, I'll have to show you on the car. And then you just take some white school glue, because if you make a mistake, you can just apply water to school glue and it'll melt, and you can always remove the part again. Also, it'll dry clear, so that's a nice thing. Whereas if you use super glue, it's going to be a one-time chance, right? So this is obviously a very long antenna, which makes no sense. I'm just going to clip off maybe that much. There we go. Nah, it's still too long. Okay. So obviously you want to align it and then just let it sit and dry, but there you go. So you know, plastic model kits, they come in all different colors, the parts. This was a gray table of some sort for a 12 scale, I guess. Obviously I think I would have been better if I had a black sprue to work with, but I don't, so I guess I have a gray antenna, and I'm too lazy to paint it. Maybe someday, but if I keep another model kit with this black, I'll redo this. Alright, so there you go. Quick and easy, guys. Alright, take care. Bye.